What is cloud computing? In computers, we use the term cloud to represent a network or internet. The term cloud is used for various services like storage, servers, etc. Cloud computing is an internet-based service that helps users to get shared resources, software, and information over a network on demand. It also helps users to store and access the data and services. It is not required to install all the software or resources for accessing them. We can use these services directly through remote server and web-based applications. The information and data can be accessed from anywhere at any time without thinking about any maintenance cost. Applications like email and web conferencing work as per the cloud computing principle. Cloud computing helps users to share, create, open, and store data on remote computers. This data can be accessed, viewed, shared, and changed from anywhere and by anyone who has the rights to access the data. The most popular and commonly used cloud platforms are Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox. Benefits of cloud computing. There are various benefits of using cloud computing. It gives huge storage space to the users to store their data, and system storage can be freed. The work can be done from anywhere at any time and using any computer. It allows to work with real-time collaborations. The data can be centralized for process and storage. Characteristics of cloud computing. Cloud computing is become very popular these days due to the certain characteristics it has. Let us discuss about some of the characteristics of cloud computing one by one. No dependence on location and devices. The cloud computing let users access the resources with the help of a web browser. It does not depend on the device from which the users want to use the cloud computing services. The users can access it from anywhere and anytime due to online infrastructure and internet-based access. Easy to maintain. Cloud computing applications are easy to maintain as they are not required to be installed on the computer of every user. Anyone who is traveling or at different location of work can use the services without any hassle. On-demand self-service. This characteristic of cloud computing helps users to use these services as per their demand without time and location restrictions. Resource sharing. Cloud computing serves multiple users at a time. So, it merges all the computer resources like hardware, software, network connection, etc. over a network. Measured service. Cloud systems automatically control and optimize the usage and give an option to pay for service method. Flexibility. In cloud computing, the resources can be easy to scale up or down at any time as per the requirement. Resources can be accessed throughout the day 24/7 by users over a network. Advantages of cloud computing. Cloud computing is very useful as it provides storage space to the users over a network to share, create, edit, and organize their data. Let us discuss some of its advantages. Cost. The cloud computing is cost effective as the user is not required to spend money on buying hardware, software, and resources. Speed. The cloud computing provides data services on demand and the resources can be accessed within few seconds through internet. Sharing of information globally. The cloud computing enables users to access information from anywhere at any time whenever they need it. Productivity. The cloud computing helps to increase the productivity as there is no need to set up any hardware, software in this. So, the work is reduced and productivity is increased. More reliable. Cloud computing gives data access to the users. It also helps to recover data and create a backup of the data. Disadvantages of cloud computing. There are many disadvantages of cloud computing. Some of them are as follows. Cloud computing needs an internet connection always. Without internet connection or network failure, you cannot reap the benefits of cloud computing. When we use cloud computing for storage and backup, we need a service provider who offers the value of unlimited storage and speed. You may also experience limited storage space or accessibility. You cannot solve technical faults at your end as you have to depend upon the third party for technical solutions. You have to share information with the third party and trust them for not sharing the sensitive information of your organization. So, at times the people data get leaked. Storing data using cloud computing. Cloud computing provides a facility to store, organize, and edit data through the network. The data can also be shared with others using cloud storage. There are many service providers that give the facility of cloud storage. The most commonly used cloud storage applications are Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, etc. In this chapter, we will discuss in detail about the OneDrive and how to upload and share data through OneDrive. Introducing OneDrive. OneDrive is a cloud storage facility offered by Microsoft. This service is available free to all users having Microsoft account. It was launched on August 2007. OneDrive let the users store files and data on the remote computers. These stored files can be synced with the devices and shared with the other users. OneDrive is the part of cloud computing. It gives users options to access their files through various apps on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS operating systems. It offers different storage plans to users as per their requirements. It provides 5 GB of storage free of cost, but more than 5 GB can be taken on a monthly or yearly payment system. It is also known as SkyDrive. Accessing OneDrive. To use the services of OneDrive, you must be registered with the Microsoft's website. Log in to the www.msn.com with your Microsoft's account by using a web browser. In this case, we are using the Google Chrome web browser. After signing in to your Microsoft account, click on the OneDrive icon on the home screen of Microsoft account. The OneDrive page will be opened. Now on this page, you can upload, share, download, and organize files on OneDrive. Creating files on OneDrive. OneDrive is a very useful app. It not only lets us to store data but also gives an option to create documents. It allows us to create spreadsheet, presentations, etc. and also allows to share created documents with others. The files that we create using OneDrive app are automatically saved on OneDrive. We need to follow the given steps to create a document using OneDrive. Step 1. On the home screen of the OneDrive, click on the New button. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 2. Choose the type of file which you want to create from the options provided by OneDrive. OneDrive provides various options such as folder, Word document, Excel workbook, and PowerPoint presentation. In this case, we have selected Word document option. A new blank Word document will appear. You can now start working in the document. You can change the name of the file from Document 1 to the name of your choice. Uploading files on OneDrive. We can upload any file or folder on the OneDrive and can use it anytime from anywhere as per our requirement. Let us learn to upload files on the OneDrive by following the given steps. Step 1. Go to home page of your OneDrive and click on the Upload button. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 2. Select the Files option. The open dialog box will appear. Step 3. Select the file which you want to upload. In this case, we have selected a Word document named Cloud. Step 4. Click on the Open button. The process of uploading file will start at the top of the screen. Once the file is successfully uploaded, it will be displayed on the OneDrive. We can now access and share the uploaded file. Uploading folders to OneDrive. We need to follow the given steps to upload folder from computer to OneDrive. Step 1. Click on the Upload button. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 2. Select on Folder option from the drop-down menu. The Select Folder to Upload dialog box will appear. Step 3. Select the folder to be uploaded and click on Upload button. The process of uploading folder will start. Once the folder is successfully uploaded, it will appear on the Sharing Files. OneDrive also allows us to share our files with others. The person whom with we have shared the file can also edit the same file simultaneously. We need to follow the given steps to share a file or folder with other on OneDrive. Step 1. Move the mouse pointer over the file or folder which you want to share with others. A small circle will appear at the top right corner of the thumbnail of the file. Step 2. Click on the circle to select the file or folder. Some buttons will appear at the top of the screen. Step 3. Click on the Share button. The Send Link pop-up box will appear. Step 4. Under the Enter Name or Email Address text box, enter the email address of the people with whom you want to share your file or folder. Step 5. Choose the level of access and click on the Send button. An email invitation will be sent to the person whom you have sent file. The person whom you have invited to collaborate in the file can have the following different types of rights for the file. They can organize, edit, and add into the shared file. They can only read the content but cannot change the content. File shared with you. If someone shared any file with you through OneDrive, the file will be visible in the Shared With Me folder. We can look for the file in the Shared With Me folder and can share the file with others. You can delete the file or save it to the drive for further use. Other cloud storage service providers. Other than OneDrive, there are some other cloud storage service providers also available. Let us discuss about some of them in brief. Dropbox. The basic users of Dropbox are given 2 GB of storage space, whereas if somebody has premium subscription, then they are given 1 TB of storage space. ZipCloud. It is a cloud storage for documents, music, photos, and videos. It offers 1 GB of free storage to users, but users can take 75 GB to 50 GB 1 TB storage through paid plans. iCloud. This cloud storage service is provided by Apple. It offers 5 GB of free storage to users, but users can take paid plans for 50 GB, 200 GB, and 2 TB storage. Google Drive. Google Drive, a cloud storage facility offered by Google. This service was launched by Google in April 2012. Google Drive let the users store files, data on cloud. These files can be synced with the devices and shared with the other users. It is the part of cloud computing. The Google Drive gives users options to store data up to 15 GB, which can be extended to various capacities like 100 GB, 1 TB, and so on through monthly payment.